In the previous video, you downloaded your text editor Genie, which is where you'll type your Java code. However, your problem is that your computer doesn't actually recognize Java. And in order to solve that problem, we have to also download the Java Development Kit. And to really know how your computer can recognize Java, you'll be introduced to the heart of your computer, the terminal window. As the name sounds, the Java Development Kit is a software environment that allows you to develop Java programs, and without it we of course can't do anything with Java. Open up a web browser and type JDK download. JDK, by the way, is short for Java Development Kit. You should go to the Oracle download link, and over here press the JDK download. Depending on your system, press the correct version to download. Since I'm using Windows, I'll press on this exe to start the download. Agree to their terms and go through the steps to download the JDK into your computer. Now the thing we use to run our Java code is the computer itself. Everything you see here in the Genie text editor is the Java code that you will be typing. As you can see, I've enlarged the font and changed the background to my liking. This does not change how the computer will read the code, as it is just a visual interface. Now to really know if your computer can run Java, open up your command prompt or terminal window, which should be a built-in app if you search it up inside your computer. This is where your heart of the computer is, and you can access everything that you see inside of your computer. As seen here, it says C:\users\codeNodes. My username is codeNodes, and yours will probably be different. Basically, after each backslash, it is like the name of a folder on your computer. And so, if we go to our desktop, you can see folders right here. You can access these exact folders in the command prompt as well as it is here in the visual interface. Going back to the command prompt, if you want to see what is inside the folder, you can type dir, press enter. On Mac, you would type ls. As you can see here, there are a lot of files including other nested folders. Right here is our desktop. If we want to locate those folders we just saw on our desktop, type cd space desktop. cd means change directory. If we type dir or ls on Mac systems again, we can see the folders on our desktop. As you can see here, I've created a folder myself on the desktop called Genie Java Projects. I suggest you do the same as well. So on your folder, all you have to do is just create a folder to store all of your Genie Java code files. This is just for organization, but you are more than welcome to put your Java files almost anywhere inside your computer. Whenever you are dealing with Java files, remember to locate your computer to the location of where Java files are stored. So in my case, I'm just going to type cd space genie space java space projects. On Mac, the spaces don't work well with the terminal window, so you would have to type cd double quote Genie Java Projects and end that with a double quote. This code also works with Windows, so just to show you guys, I'm going to exit this folder and trace back a step by typing cd space ... And as you can see, my computer is now back in my desktop. A keyboard shortcut you can use is to type cd space GEA. It doesn't really matter how many letters you type necessarily, and I'm just going to press the tab key. And as you can see, the computer autofills because it recognizes that this is the only thing that starts with the letters G, E, and A. Finally, the two most important commands that we will use a lot are javac and java. In future videos, we will explain how they function, but for now, to test them out to see if they work, type javac, and you should see a bunch of text showing that it worked. Also type java, and a similar jumble of words should appear. If you got an error message, which I see occur a lot in the Windows system, check out the link in the description, which will give you a set of instructions on how to solve this problem. If everything worked out, remember these commands that you'll be using with your terminal window, and you are now ready to begin coding Java.